Alright, behave. Let's go walk with the folks. Come on. Come on. They're doing roping across the street. Lucy. 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 Well, our flowers are going away here. They don't last that long. Okay, I changed bird feeders out here on that porch there. I put the one that was out here in front, because that one wouldn't fit on our new pole that we made, that Shelly made. I was wondering what was so tough there. Come on, Lucy. It's a little chilly out today. I should have worn my jacket. Lucy. Wendy. Lucy. Leave Barkley alone. He's peeing. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Man, it's Wendy. Cold. Things in the 40s. Around there. Bird feeder back here getting empty. I filled it up yesterday. Look, you got me tied up. Hold on. Oh, yeah. I need to learn to kick higher. Oh. Let's go. Screw warm my jacket. Oh, it's so warm in the house. Our currant bush is coming back up again. We're getting buds on them too. Cool. Yeah, we thought it was dead at the end of summer, but I watered the heck out of them. Nobody can live without water, not even plants. Okay, Lucy, stop that. Come on, you're gonna just lay down on the ground. Come on, Barkley. You guys smell animals out here? We have seen rabbits out here. Didn't get them on a trail camera though. They don't go that far back. Doggies. Let's go. I know you're gonna want to bark. I want to show the folks what we done to the bird feeder in front. Barkley, no. Barkley, no. See, the pole's not as tall, but we put the seed catcher on this pole here. Shelly made the pole. And it's because all the seeds would drop on the ground, and we have a lot of seeds that, will grow. So, looks like they're touching that bird feeder, though. Let's go in the house. Let's go in the house. Thanks to folks for walking with you. Thank you, folks. Thank you. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Okay, let's go in the house. Come on. In the house. Thanks for watching.